eliciting requirements. So here, as requirements are gathered, scope of system, or we can say vision, overall vision of system features and functions they begin to materialize. So as requirements are gathered, overall vision of system features and functions it begins to materialize. However, it is very difficult to go deep into the technical software engineering activities. So it is difficult to go deeper into the technical software engineering activities because here first you need to understand how these features and functions they are used by different classes of end users. So in order to go deep into the technical software engineering activities, first you need to understand how these features and functions they are used by different classes of end users. And then here in order to accomplish this, developers and users they can create. So in order to make this possible, so to accomplish this, developers and end users can create set of scenarios. So in order to make this task possible, what these developers and end users are doing, they are creating set of scenarios. So these scenarios, they identify thread of usage for the system to be built or for the system to be constructed. So they'll provide or they'll identify various we can say that they can identify thread of usage, that means how to use a system or how to use or how to identify how these functions and features are used by different class of end users for the system to be constructed or for system which we are going to construct or which is developed by the developer. And the scenarios, so these set of scenarios, we can simply say that these scenarios are called as use cases. So what is the role of use case? It provides description of how system will, so this use case, it provides description of how system will be used. So here, in order to make this task possible or in order to identify how the different, so in order to go deeper into the technical software engineering activities, first we need to understand different features and functions, how they are used by different class of end users. So to make this task possible, developers and end users are creating set of scenarios and these scenarios are called as use cases. So these use cases they mainly provides description regarding how the system will be used. And also these scenarios they'll identify thread of usage for the system to be constructed.